a little baby hair like right there. Girl, that looks stupid.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody in between. I am back with somebody else's hair, or am I? Is it my hair? Y'all know it's not my hair. I'm back with somebody else's hair, and guess what? It is another day where I'm messing with somebody else's hair, girl. I don't know, and I'm super excited, girl, because I'm doing something a little bit different. Can you tell? Because this is not a lace front wig. Can you tell this isn't a lace front wig? Y'all, she's giving root realness. She's giving biracial, girl. First, I want to say, please subscribe and hit the post notification bell just so you can see every single time that I post. I also want to say thank y'all. I just hit 40,000 subscribers today, just a few moments ago. Let's go ahead and get into this wig. So first, I want to say thank you to Nadula Hair for providing this gorgeous wig to me and sponsoring this video. I gotta leave out. This wig is a V-part wig from Nadula Hair. It is a Jerry Curly V-part wig. The length of this wig is 24 inches and it is 150% density. It has 5 clips and 3 combs, and there is adjustable straps in the back. This V-part is a little bit different. They use like a mesh system and they knot the hair onto the mesh to give it a little bit more of a natural look versus having tracks, because tracks tell all of your business, girl. Sometimes you just be sitting there minding your business and there go a track. I've seen some people do like no leave out, and I've seen people do it with like the minimal amount of leave out. For somebody like me, I have very, very thin hair, and I used to wear V-part wigs and U-part wigs back in the day, but as y'all have seen in some of my past videos, I started to lose my hair because of coconut oil, girl, and my hair started breaking off. Then I had to chop it all off. It was a whole mess. So I stopped wearing my hair out because it was just way too much. I could not do V-part wigs anymore. Hence the reason why I got into full lace wigs or lace frontal wigs. My biggest issue with U-part wigs was that I had to put out so much hair that it was like, girl, you might as well just have all your hair out. I left out like a tiny sliver of hair here, but in the front, I didn't leave out any hair. I just did waves of baby hairs, and that's it. I don't have to worry about my hair at the top. So let me show you what it looks like in the back. Look at those curls. If y'all want to see how to apply a V-part wig for people with hair, if y'all want to see how I applied this wig and made it look a little bit thicker than it actually is, please keep on watching, and then I'll tell you my thoughts at the very end. Wait, let me go ahead and drink some tea, girl. Oh no, this tea is too hot. I'm drinking black tea with no honey, no nothing in it, girl. We have to work on our base, but since this wig is a completely different wig, it is a V-part wig, we apply this wig very differently. I want y'all to look at the interior of this wig, okay? We're gonna pop the hood. So I wanna see if I can apply this V-part wig without leaving out any hair. So we're gonna try it without leaving out hair and with leaving out hair. So first, let's try it without. Like, y'all see this? This look like a rabbit tail. I ain't got that much hair, so let me take my hair down. The girls, like, this is what I've been walking around with. So I'm gonna part this down the middle. Okay. Oh, girl, my hair is kind of clean. Look at that. With my part, I'm kind of roughing it up just a little bit so I can like have some hair to play with. You know what I'm saying? I'm not pulling the hair tight. I'm just having it like super loose and then a little bun in the back. No braids, no nothing. Okay, this is the wig. Look at this hair texture. It is so pretty. Y'all know U-parts used to be my thing. That's how my husband met me. He thought that my U-part wig was my real hair. Rude awakening when I pulled that wig off, girl, and all he got was this. Got him. So let's just plop this on. I've opened up all of the clips. Okay, I'm trying to see if I can clip it down. My hair is coming out. Girl, this is a mess. Let's clip it right here. And clip it right there. Okay, so, ooh. Look how pretty this hair is. I feel like I need to pull this in just a tad bit more. So, pull it in some more. Ooh, yes. Boom. Okay, so this is what it looks like with just my natural part and no tweaking, but we need to tweak this to make it look like my natural hair. So this is what I had seen the girls doing with these sort of wigs. Okay, so they're taking a comb and then doing like this, and then I'm gonna take a rat tail comb and pull some of my hair up. Let me pull y'all in so y'all can see what I'm doing. So that's the part. I'm just gonna pull some hair up. I don't think I'm doing this right. Girl, that look a fool. I'm not doing this right. I don't think I set up my base right, girl. Okay, I'm just braiding my little hair back right here because my hair is super fine and it just won't hold on to anything. I'm just gonna do like 2 lazy little cornrows right here. Okay, so let's come on with this V part and see if we can do it again. Oh, that looks so much better. Okay, that was me. Okay, so now all I need to do is cover up and rough up this area so that it conceals the tracks. So I'm taking a baby hair brush and I'm brushing against the hair. From the front, you actually cannot tell. It's just when I look down, because of how thin my hair is, you can tell that I don't have no hair out. So let's just try it with leaving out like a teeny tiny, the smallest, thinnest bit of hair, and then see what happens. But like from here, you can't tell. But from here, girl, but look at how pretty this hair is. I want to wear this hair today. Yes. Now that we've established what we want to, y'all, I like a little tufted cat. Take a little bit of leave out. So we're going to have like minimal leave out. I'm only doing this much. Okay, and I'm just going to twist this hair away or braid it away. So for the sides, I'm just gonna braid all of this hair down. So I'm just gonna braid all of this hair back. Girl, braid it down. Boom, boom. I want to work on my edges. I want to give the baby hair look, so I'm gonna go ahead and prep and put down some baby hairs so we have like a little look going. So I'm gonna take this mousse, this flattening souffle, and I'm actually going to use it to lay down my baby hairs because it kind of hardens a bit, and that's what I want. So I'm gonna bring back, y'all look at how much hair I gotta bring forward. I'm bringing forward hair from the back of my head. I'm just gonna baby hair the whole front of my head. And the key is to swoop and then swoop back. And then I'm just gonna do it down here too. Swoop and then swoop back. Ooh. Do y'all see what I just... Y'all, these baby hairs are full. I need to cut my hair again. Like this is... Look at that. Ew. Okay, let's do this side. This is giving cute, right? So now it's time to apply the wig, and then we're gonna blend our hair. We're gonna apply the wig, and it's gonna be a lot easier now because my hair is out of the way. Girl, I was playing. That's what I was doing. Okay, so we're just gonna clip this down. Oh, look at that. Look at those edges. Yes, ma'am. I'm just gonna pop the combs in on the side. So for our hair at the top, I need to just blend it into these big, beautiful, fluffy curls. I'm going to spray my hair down with this Keratin Smooth spray. It is a heat protectant just to make sure I don't damage my hair any more than it has been damaged. So do y'all remember this? This used to be my favorite heat protectant. I'm gonna actually add this to the hair too. It's like a little serum, but it did such a great job with protecting my hair. We're going to use a ceramic tourmaline barrel for natural looking curls, and I feel like the curls kind of match up, so we're gonna turn it on and then turn it up to, I'm gonna turn it to like 300 degrees. I think I'm just gonna curl like the ends. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm gonna split this in half and I'm just gonna wrap it around. Just the ends. There we go. Cool. Then do this one. So I like to take the hair and then just kind of fold it into there. This is how I used to do my hair all the time. Just take it, boom. Take it like that, and then take this piece. Oh, so good. Okay, and I left the roots a little bit more natural and curly so it would cover up my mistakes. So, okay, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of mousse to these front pieces because they all frayed out and stuff. So let's just add a tad bit of mousse to define some of these curls. Do you think I should layer this a little bit? I'm always trying to do something to somebody else's hair. I feel like just a little bit of layering right here in the front would give it more bounce, you know? So I'm gonna, nobody told me to do this. Nobody at all. Oh, I think it's giving. Okay, so I think I want to do like a tiny little baby hair like right here. I think baby hair culture has brainwashed me. I really do. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the flattening souffle and I'm just gonna add a little baby hair like right there. Girl, that looks stupid. I'd much rather it go like this. Yeah. And then like that. There we go. Ooh, that brought my hairline forward and everything. Come on, hairline. I think I want to trim just a little bit off the ends because it's like kind of shedding. So I'm just gonna cut like, oh yes. That's how I like my hair to be. Yes. Like that much. Is it even? Probably not, girl. Y'all know I don't know how to cut hair. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. Y'all see this? Look, it looks so good. This hair looks like it's growing out of my scalp. You hear me? I love the curl pattern on the hair, and I love how I just had to put out just a little teeny tiny sliver, little bit of hair to make this work. I actually learned how to make this look right. Now, as you can see, like the center part of my head is still pretty thin, but that's just how my hair is right now. I accept myself and all my flaws. But look at these edges. I left no hair out on the edges. Just let me show you what it looks like in the back. Boom. So pretty. Y'all tell me what you think down below. I want to say thank you to Nadula Hair once again for sponsoring this video and providing this wig to me. If you would like to purchase this beautiful Jerry curl V-part wig, I will leave the links for it down below. I also will leave the coupon code. It is nadulatb for $10 off. So get your money off, girl. Get your $10 off. So yeah, girl, I've been running my mouth this whole entire time trying to stop myself from crying and whatnot. I love y'all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.